Here we have a 70-plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Pro and also the technology packages. Now we do have the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We then have the mineral white metallic paintwork. Coming around to the front, you'll find the LED headlights. We then have the gloss black front grills and also front splitter. And let's look at that front end. Coming around now to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle. Air suspension as well, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the lowest setting. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you find the roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and then the rear spoiler as well, which sits nice and aggressively. We then have front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras and of course the visual display inside. Coming around to the back, you can see the rear diffuser along with the dual legs exhaust. We have the power operated tailgate. If you press the button here on the remote, then you find it will open just like so. Now tailgate is split. We do have the bottom half just here, which we can open by pressing the button and it will open just like so. You can see we have plenty of space inside of the boot. We do also have the 2 extra seats, as this vehicle is a 7-seater. Got the parcel shelf at the top as well. We do also have storage nets either side, along with hooks as well just here. Just lift this back up, you can see we also have another button just there for the air suspension, so you can lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Pressing this button just up here and it will close the rest of the tailgate. Coming back round to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now, coming into the back first, you'll find we have the full black leather seats. There's a 7-seater like I said before, 2 extra seats in the boot which you would have seen in the photos. Got the foldable armrests in the centre and also fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents with for the climate control for the rear passengers just down there. We also have the brush metal handles, electric windows. These rear seats also electrically adjustable, as you can see just there. We have the M Sport style seat belts. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. Both the front seats are being heated. There's a look at the passenger side, and also the driver's seat. Again, what's more, electrically adjustable. And the driver's seat also has the memory function. Harman Kardon sound system. We then have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. We also have the automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable with the stalk just down there. We also have the cruise control and speedometer here on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights, and we do also have the heads-up display just up here if the camera can pick it up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main infotainment screen. All the features are on these buttons. So you can see we have the sat nav. We also have the media options where you find the radio stations, along with the other options here on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for the phone calls. We also have a range of apps that are currently installed, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Onto the main menu, if you go onto car, onto the settings, you'll find interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours on here which you can go through, and we also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there, you then find the climate control for the front passengers. We have the ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats either side. Inside of here, you'll find the cup holders along with 12-volt connectivity. We have a USB port and then the wireless phone charging just underneath there. You may be able to see we do have the ambient lighting which runs throughout here, also across the dash and across the doors. Automatic gearbox just here, which has the different drive modes paired up with the air suspension. So you can see we can press these buttons. We have Adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport drive modes. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reverse camera. Put it into drive, change it to the front facing camera. But you can see we have the 3D view just here, where we can go all the way around the vehicle 360 degrees, and you can see each camera angle works just as you would expect it to. So just make our way all the way around. As you can see, each camera works. Over to the car wash, you can see we have a top-down view of the front end. Press P just here and it puts the car back into park. We have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, hill descent control, and we also have the leather armrest just here in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight on true. Now the steering wheel is electrically adjustable, the stalk just down here. It's also multifunctional with the paddle shifters either side, so if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode, you can simply tap while the pedals to change gear. You have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which can show different bits of information. We also have the heads-up display just above there, which is currently showing the digital speedometer along with the speedometer for the current road. Now we do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Well, if you listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. We've got 7 seats, and you can easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle, and still get out feeling fresh. You then have many more features as well. We've got the ambient lighting running all throughout. The main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav, but again, plenty of the features on there you would have seen on the photos. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Automatic gearbox, which is really smooth going through all the gears. And we are about to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on. We're slowing down, and we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then we'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Got the reverse camera, the 360 view, back into drive, and it changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.